Is it time to buy or sell SPDR Gold Shares ETF? In this video, we will delve into SPDR Gold Shares. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep updated on our latest analyses. You certainly don't want to miss any critical updates that may influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since April 8, 2025, our system has identified SPDR Gold Shares as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.6. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 8.09%. This equates to an average return of 0.48% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 16.74% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 12.46% to 26.23%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of about 32.60%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 18.89% and 41.81% over the upcoming year. In today's values, this would imply a future price ranging from $353.66 to $421.82. Our latest daily update for SPDR Gold Shares includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for SPDR Gold Shares. The SPDR Gold Shares exchange-traded fund price fell by 2.08% on the last day, Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, from $303.77 to $297.46. It has now declined for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.89% with a low of $295.32 and a high of $297.94. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 3.26% over this period. Trading volume increased on the last day by 7 million shares, although this occurred amid falling prices. This may signal an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 14 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $4.28 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $317.63, while the lowest price was $210.71. Currently, the price is 6.35%, or $20.17, below the 52-week high of $317.63, which also represents the all-time high for this ETF. Gold prices have recently come under significant pressure, now trading around $3,220 per ounce after a 2% decline. This drop follows a notable lack of activity from Chinese investors during their holiday, which has led to reduced bid support. Additionally, profit-taking has played a role in the decrease in gold prices, particularly with the anticipation of upcoming job reports from the United States. Despite these short-term fluctuations, several analysts remain optimistic about gold's long-term outlook. A billionaire from Wall Street has projected that gold could reach $5,000 by the year 2028, suggesting a potential shift in market sentiment. Furthermore, recent forecasts indicate that the average gold price is expected to exceed $3,000 per ounce for the first time, demonstrating a growing confidence among investors. Geopolitical tensions, ongoing inflation, and trade uncertainties have also contributed to gold's strong performance this year, reinforcing its reputation as a safe haven asset. As investors navigate these challenges, the relationship between upcoming economic data and investor sentiment will be crucial in shaping gold's future trajectory. In the short term, ongoing volatility may impact the performance of the GLD fund, but a strong long-term outlook may attract more investors seeking stability amidst market uncertainty. Overall, the combination of rising forecasts and positive long-term predictions could enhance the attractiveness of GLD, particularly in an environment marked by economic unpredictability. analysts have assigned SPDR Gold Shares ETF a general buy rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the ETF as neutral. The following signals have been identified for SPDR Gold Shares. The SPDR Gold Shares exchange-traded fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is also a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the fund, suggesting a positive forecast. In the event of further gains, the fund will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $304.69. Conversely, if there is a decline, support will be found from the long-term average at roughly $290.55. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Monday, April 21, 2025, with a decline of approximately 5.74% observed so far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Yesterday, volume increased amid falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, necessitating closer monitoring of the fund. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal occurred 9 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was noted 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal was recorded 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal was identified 19 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average. A buy signal was indicated 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal was recognized 85 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPDR Gold Shares. SPDR Gold Shares finds support from accumulated volume at $286.42. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average daily movements, and with favorable trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $2.62 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.89%. In the last week, the ETF has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.24%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SPDR Gold Shares, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio indicates that the exchange-traded fund may be overvalued. Nonetheless, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPDR Gold Shares. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPDR Gold Shares is at $297.93. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPDR Gold Shares encounters its first support level at $286.42. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $284.67, reflecting a decrease of 4.3%. This exchange-traded fund experiences moderate daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is SPDR Gold Shares ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally favorable trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for SPDR Gold Shares ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of May, we anticipate that SPDR Gold Shares will open lower by approximately 55 cents and begin trading at $296.91. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.